Last time we made logic for the motor local operation. In this video we will make logic for the remote operation of an induction motor. As we discussed last time, the remote operation means the motor would be started and stopped from the operator station's HMI, like this one. When the operator clicks start button, the motor would start operation and the motor would be stopped by clicking the stop button from the operator station HMI. The operating mode would be changed as well from the HMI, like this one, local mode and remote mode of motor operation. So let's start making the logic in the semantic manager. Before starting to make logic, I had added some memory bits last time in the symbol table. That is M1.1, M1.2 and M1.0. M1.0 is the local and remote mode. The status would be stored in this memory bit. If it is 0, that would mean local mode, and the remote mode would mean that M1.0 is high. M1.1 and M1.2 are for HMI start and HMI stop commands, respectively. That is, when the operator clicks the button start, well, this memory bit M1.1 would be set high and the motor would start operating, and the motor would be stopped by the command from the HMI, and the HMI command, stopped command, would be stored in M1.2. So go to the semantic manager. Over here I will add a new network, a normally open contact for the electrical readiness I0.0, a normally open contact for the mode of the motor operation, HMI start command, motor overload, HMI stop command, a normally closed contact for the feedback missing alarm, the run feedback missing alarm, and M2.1. The result of this logic operation would be stored in M2.1. Let me add a branch in parallel to latch the status of M2.1, because M1.1 would be set high momentarily for a short period of time and it would be resetted again, just like I0.3. Well, the logic is completed for the remote operation of induction motor. Let me add the network title. I will save the logic and will download it into the PLC. Let me monitor it. Monitor the program, and the logic has been successfully downloaded into the PLC. Oops, I forgot to add the M2.1 into the motor command logic. So let me So the logic is complete. So let me talk about the network 2. Just like the previous network, for the motor local operation, I0.0 is the readiness and 1.0 is the status or the mode of motor operation, that is the local and remote. And this time around I used normally open contact. So as we talked, M1.0, if it is 1, that is mean the remote mode of motor operation has to be active. And in that case, M1.0, if it is high, well, this logic would be completed and it would just wait for the M1.1 and M1.2 to activate or deactivate this logic, right? So the logic is complete, and for the remote operation of the motor and the local operation of the motor as well. So now we will go to the WinCC HMI to complete the entire project for the local and remote motor operation. So in the next video we will make the HMI and we'll complete it. So see you in the next video. That's all for now.